Hello everybody. Today we shall be talking about lean startup methodology. So basically, lean startup methodology is a procedure by which entrepreneurs who do not have much resources can make a product of high customer satisfaction. Eric Rice is the person who formulated lean startup methodology. He himself is a serial entrepreneur who had started a number of startups and had faced a lot of failures until he applied a set of rules and made IMView, which is one of his startups, successful. He wrote those rules in a book called The Lean Startup, and hence those rules started to be known as the Lean Startup Rules or the Lean Startup Methodology. Now we shall see the procedure of Lean Startup methodology so that you can also use the same method in your own startup to design your product. So Lean Startup methodology generally helps you to validate your product before releasing it in the market. The first thing you do in this process is that you need to first outline your business. It is not a very professional business plan or product, it is just an amateurish sketch of your business plan and product. After you have done this, you need to go to the target customer, that is the customer for whom you're designing the product, and ask them questions. When you do that, you understand the mentality of your customer. This helps eradicate many uncertainties. This also helps you understand that the idea you're thinking is a hit or a flop before investing in it. You should now jot down everything a customer is saying. You can either note them down or record them. Look out for improvement suggestions or criticism in your present idea. Try addressing the answer to the what ifs and hows. While interviewing, you find some of the customer very much interested in a product. When you indirectly ask them if they would pay for your product, they would reply you with an yes. These are the early adopters. These are the people who will propel your business forward, so pay more attention to them. These are the first people to adopt any new technology. Thus, you need to make your first product based on these people's feedback in mind. Thus, jot down their feedback of these people very carefully. Now that you have got the feedback and know there are people willing to buy the product, it is time to make the first version of the product. The first version is called the MVP or minimal viable product. Now you need to make a very simplified version of your product with all the feedback and the solution of the question incorporated in your product. Now this product can be sold, and from the customer keep taking feedback again and again. Incorporate these feedback in the product and make it more advanced. This is called agile development. This makes your product more customer friendly, as it has been designed taking into consideration the feedback of the customer. I end my video over here, and I hope you enjoyed the video and understood how to make a product using Lean Startup methodology. With this, I end my video today.